everyone and welcome back to our live. Ay magsisimula na sa ating laban between the Xavier School versus the St. John the Baptist. Good luck for both teams. And shout out po sa lahat ng parents, especially from Xavier School, who has invited me here to cover the game of our school. Shoutout po kay Sir Jasper Yeng, Ma'am Joan Barreto. And shoutout din po sa lahat ng parents. Sila Sir Ryoto, Abdul, Ong, Tan, Dimaporo. Ayan, and shoutout din kila Vilya, Ma'am Vilya. Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Xavier team. Let's go! Let's go, Xavier! The battle begin. First ball mapupunta sa ating Xavier. Tenorio. Pass to Dimaporo. Pass to Tenorio. 4-3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Steal. Hindi nakita natin referee. Abdul all the way. First basket para kay Abdul sa ating Xavier School. Ayan ang pressure defense ng ating Xavier. Oh, steal by Abdul. Steal there ng St. John. And out of bounds. And there's a foul. John the Baptist basketball. Oh, si double dribble. Bola dito na ating Xavier. Oh, Vilya, pass to Dimaporo. Sorry, Dipano. Pass to Tenorio, back to Dipano. To Hub. Vilya, floater, short, rebound, number 12 to number 18. Number 18. Still there by Tenorio. Pass to Abdul. Mami, sus lang po. Sorry, Mami. And first basket by Tenorio. Steal by Dipano. Dipano all the way. Yes, sir. Time out. St. John the Baptist. Official score is 6-0 in favor of our Xavier School. Time remaining 8 minutes and 1 second. Kaya natin ang hadal ng St. John. Back to the ball game. 8 minutes and 7 seconds. And a pressure defense ng ating Xavier. With the 2-2-1 zone. With another steal. Bounce pass to Bill. Yeah, no good. Offensive rebound with a putback by Abdul. And number 10. Oy! And that's a step in on the line. Wala rito. Ayun ang ating Xavier. Villa, pass to Defino, catch and shoot, no good. Rebound, and there's a foul. Time remaining 7 minutes and 26 seconds. Number 16, looking for his teammate. And that's 8 seconds shot clock violation. Bola rito ng ating Xavier School. Hi, Ma'am Jo. Hi, Ma'am Jo. Abdul with the floater. Basket is good. Ayun na, nag-cam na dito ang St. John. Oopsie. Last touch. Same ball. Double dribble by jersey number 20. Bola rito ay ang ating Xavier. Stefano. Pass to. Save. Bad pass. Nakuha ng St. John. Number 20. Oy, good hustle by Hub. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ay lang St. John the Baptist. Number 10 to pass to number 8. Pass to number 18 to number 10. Ooh. And that's a traveling violation. Bola dito ng ating Xavier. Pinasok na rin dito si Titus Tang. Pass to Defino. Defino looking for his teammate. Pass to Tang. Tang for 3. No good. Rebound by Abdul with a putback. Just scores. Strong po nating run ang Xavier. Number 10, Ibanez. Steal by Tenorio. Tenorio, pass to Abdul. Abdul sumalaksak and one by Abdul. Time remaining 4 minutes and 55 seconds. Abdul for the 3-point play. Basket yan. 15 to nothing. Ibanez, may tangan ng bola. Pass to, back to Ibanez. Ibanez, nasa corner. Number 20, steal by Tan. Titus, nagmamadali. Titus, dire-derecho. Basket is good. Hey, guys, bola, baka ma-injured yung ating mga player. Bro, ingat bro ha. Ibanez. Oopsie, steal by Tenorio. Tenorio nagmamadali. Tenorio all the way and there's a foul. Number 10. Free throw area, Tenorio, jersey number 13. Second shot is good. 18 and to nothing. Oopsie. Oh, steal by Depano. Pass to Abdul. Abdul using their body to get the shot. Pasok yan para kay Abdul. Ibanez. Kaya na ang double team. Oh, out of bounds. Time remaining 3 minutes and 47 seconds. Same ball tayo. St. John the Baptist Basketball. Substitution. Villa coming in. Para sa ating Xavier. Ibanez. Pass to number 18. Binigay sa corner. Pass to number 18. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by Abdul. Abdul nagmamadali. Derecho. Yes sir. Para kay Abdul. 23 na. Oopsie. Steal. Abdul. Akin na to para sa kay Abdul. Ibanez. Ay na ang double team. Steal again by Abdul for an extra pass. Ooh, basket yan by Titus Tan. Time out. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds. Vicious score is 26 to nothing. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood na ating live. Ay shoutout po kay Aurela Baton. Sabi niya, go Riley. O go Riley. Let's go Xavier. Back to the ball game. Bola rito ng St. John the Baptist. Ibanez, may tangan ng bola. Oh, another steal para kay Titus. Pass to Hub. Villa. Oy, no good. Offensive rebound by Abdul. Pass to number 10. No good. Rebound. Abdul, block from behind. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Same ball. Wala natin dito. Hey. Oy, sayang, in and out by Hub. So good, rebound ng St. John. Oy, munti ka na, walang tawag, got the referee, Ebañez. Tumira, wala, rebound by Abdul. Outlet pass to Villa. Hub, floater, no good, offensive rebound. Block there by Ebañez. Ebañez, oy! Lifting violation. Kita yun ng ating referee. Bola rito, yun na ang ating Xavier. Oh, 3-point para kay Titus Tang. Oopsie, steal by Tenorio. Still there by number 18. Pass to Ebañez. Nabitawan. Ay ng double team. Ebañez looking for his teammate. Wala. Rebound by number 10. Number 10. Pass to Tenorio. Tenorio with a cross. Nakatulusot. Pass to Titus. Block by Ebañez. Number 18 with the rebound. Tatawid ang bola. That is Reyes. Pass to Ebañez. Steal by Titus. Titus all the way. Basket is good. Back-to-back basket dito ni Titus Tan. Ay na, Ebañez. Uy. There's a foul. Number 10. Sorry, that's number 18. That's Helb. Time remaining, last 23 seconds. Number 18, pass to number 20. Number 20 to Reyes. Pass to number 11. Pass to Reyes. Jump shot, short. Rebound by number 10. Uy, natapikan. That is Ong. Time remaining, 5 seconds remaining. 5.9 seconds remaining. Tenorio with the inbound. Pass to Hall with jump shot. Whoa! Basket is good by Hav Villa. End of the first quarter. Official score is 33-0. Tied ako na sa ating second quarter. Biggest lead of the game in the 33 points. And 0 ang ating official score. Ayun na, second unit or third unit ng ating team. Brody. Ayun na, pinasok na rin dito si Kau. Jay Koyeng. Number 33 and Wong Tan Sipek. Ayan, para sa ating Xavier. Mag-inbound. Pass to Wong. Wong sumalaksak. Floater. Basket is good. by Wong. Wait lang daw, sabi ng ating referee there. Nasa corner, number 19, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Ko. Pass to Wong. Wong nagmamadali, bounce pass to Tansipek, no good. Defensive rebound, no good. Rebound dito ni number 10. Makukuha ni Wong. Wong, extra pass to Ko using the glass, no good. Nagagawan, makukuha ni Ibanez. To number 29. Oopsie. And that's a double dribble. Wala rito ay ng ating savior. Jaco. For inbound. Pass to Wong. Pass to Jaco. Bigay sa corner. Brody, tumira, no good. Rebound by Ko. Uy, short. May save ba? And out of bounds. Wala rito ng St. John the Baptist. Number 20. Setting on the play. Hindi ka na magawan. Ibanez, sidestep. Block there by Ko. Pass to Wong. Wong nagmamadali. Outlet pass. Tansipek using the glass. Basket is good. Jersey number 33. Tansipek. Ibanez. Sidestep using the glass, no good. Rebound by Wong. Wong, bounce pass. Jaco all the way. Basket by Jaco. Ying. $39 nating. Pinigay sa kanilang big man. Pinasa corner. Pass number 20 to Ibanez. Ibanez tumira sa tres, no good. Rebound by Wong. Wong nagmamadali. Ayan na, derecho. Basket is good. $41-0 ang ating talaan. Number 20. Oopsie, munti ka na magawa ni Brody. Another steal by Ko. Pass to Jaco. Jaco nakalusot all the way by Jaco. Yeng. $43-0 ang ating talaan. Ibanez. Spin. Tumira. Short. Out of bounds. Substitution. Pinasok na rin dito para sa ating savior. This is number 34. Time remaining 6 minutes and 25 seconds. Bola rito na ating savior. Wong didiskarte. Wong stop and pump. Floater. Basket is good. Para kay Wong. Ayun na, number 10. There's a foul. Number 40, Wong. There's first personal foul. Bola rito. And then St. John the Baptist. Pinasa corner, Ibanez. Pass number 20. Pass to Ibanez. 4-3. Short. Rebound. Makukuha ni Brody. Brody nagmamadali. Bounce pass. Oy, too strong para kay Jago. Offensive rebound. Tansipek, tere-derecho. Block by Ibanez. Makukuha ni Jago. Backdoor pass. Number 34. Uy, block by Ibanez. 24-second shot clock violation. Good defense dito para sa St. John.
Flat.
Kay Ibanez. Number 18. Tumira sa 3. Wala. Rebound. Out of bounds. Bola rito. Yan ang ating savior. Wong. Cross. Pass to Brody. Brody. Sumalaksak. Using the glass. No good. Rebound. Makukuha. And there's a foul again by jersey number 40. Wong, that is second personal foul. Second team foul. Bola dito ng St. John. Pinasa. Oh, out of bounds. Substitution. Coming in. Para kay Wong. Bola rito ng St. John. Pinasa corner. Pass number 20. So Ibanez. Ibanez. Using their height advantage. No good. Rebound ng St. John. Pass number 20. Ayan na si Jaco. Uy. Naka-recover ang mga nakadilaw. Number 18. Pinasa kay number 12. Back to number 18. Uy. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng ating savior. Jaco. Pinasa. Tansipek. Stop and pump. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ng St. John. Ayan na. Number 18. Pass to number 20. To Ibanez. Tumira. No good. Uy. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng ating savior. Ay. Ayan, dumadami na ang tao. Ang mga parents and kasama ka nilang mga anak is Jaco Yeng, may tangan ng bola. Yeng, floater. No good. Rebound. Makuha. Uy. Brody. And there's a foul. Two shots para kay Brody. Jersey number 8. First shot para kay Brody. Oopsie. No good. Second shot para kay Brody. First shot, second shot is good. Para Brody. 3-2. Shout out kay Sir Benedicto. Uy, short. Out of bounds. Xavier School basketball. $46 to nothing. Jaco Yeng, may taka ng bola. Yeng. Oopsie, there's a foul. Time remaining 2 minutes and 31 seconds. Jaco Yeng. Oops. Nabitawan ng bola. Tansipik with the ball. Tansipik, pass to Brody. Oh, steal. Number 18. Pass to Ibanez. To Miran. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Brody. Oh, that's a traveling violation. Last 2 minutes tayo sa first half. Number 10, and there's a foul. Ayun na, magkakaroon na sa puntos kaya. Ibanez on the free throw area. Jersey number 10. Let's go. Ibanez, first shot. No good. Second shot para kay Ibanez. No good. Rebound. By Jaco. Yeng nagmamadali. Yeng. Uy, nabitawan. Sayang. Nabitawan ni Jaco. Ang bola doon. Hard attack doon. Natapikan. Bola dito ay ng St. John the Baptist. Ibanez, binigay sa corner, number 20 to 1. Oy, steal by Jaco. One-on-one by Ibanez. Jaco all the way, and there's a foul. On the free throw area, jersey number 2, Jaco Yeng. First shot para kay Jaco. Basket is good. And shout out kay Sir Jasper Yeng. Ayan, magandang araw sa iyo, Sir. Sir Jasper, kanyang Daddy Yeng. Second shot is good para kay Jaco. 2 for 2. 48 to nothing. Bola dito ay ng St. John. Number 20. Pass number 18. Ay na, nagagawan. And that's a jump ball. Same ball. One minute and 7 sa tayo. Reyes. Oopsie, 24-second shot clock violation. Time remaining, last 1 minute. Wong, may hawak ng bola. Pass to Brody. Brody sumalaksak. Tumira using the glass. Pasok yan para kay Brody. jersey number 8. 50-0. That is Reyes. Oh, still by Wong. Yun nga lang. Ito is a foul. Kala ko foul dito si Wong. Time remaining. Last 29 seconds. Wala dito ang ating savior. Wong with the cross. Pass to Jago. Jago fake. Floater. Blocked there by Ibanez. Ayan na. Number 11. Magagawan. Steal by Cole. Pass to Jago. Jago sumalaksak. Nabitawan. Steal by Ibanez. Outlet pass. Ayan na. Number 18. Slam shot. Short. Out of bounds. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score is 50-0. Lamang pa rin dito ang ating savior. Alright, maya-maya po tayo dadako na sa ating third quarter. Shoutout po sa lahat ng manonood ng ating live. At sa mga nag-share po ng ating video. Maraming salamat po. Yan natin ang hadal ng si Chan dito. Ay, sige po, okay na po. Mataas lang po eh. Di kita, ma'am. Okay, back to the ball game. So, magsimula na tayo. Third quarter. Depano. Pass to Titus. Back to Depano. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez. Sumalaksak. Floater basket. And first basket para sa St. John. Jersey number 10. Ibanez. Ayan ang mamit daddy natin dito. Tenorio in and out. Rebound. Bola rito ng St. John. Ibanez once again. May tangan na bola. Pinasa corner. Back to na Reyes. To Ibanez. Fake. Ibanez. And there's a foul. The line, jersey number 10, Ibanez. First shot para kay Ibanez. Basket. Ayan na. Mahabol lang St. John dito. Tingnan natin. Ibanez. Second shot. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Oh, sorry. Lane violation. Bola rito ay nating Xavier. Depano. Pass to Titus. Titus. Pinasa corner. Tumira. Too strong. Rebound by Titus. Titus step back 3. No good. Rebound by Tenorio. Pass to Depano. Bounce pass. Test. Basket yan by jersey number 10. That is Ong. 52-3 ang ating talaan. Ibanez. Running shot. Oy, in and out. Rebound by Abdul. Ayan na si Abdul. Nagmamadali. Abdul sumalaksak. Oy, too strong. Rebound ng St. John. Oh, traveling violation. Sayang. Bola rito ng St. John. Sorry, that's Xavier. Depano, catch and shoot. Too strong. Rebound ng St. John. Oy, nagagawan. Still there again by number 11. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez. Pinagay sa corner. Pass to number 8. Sorry, that's Ibanez. Running shot. In and out. Rebound by Ong. Ong, pass to Abdul. Abdul, nagmamadali. Abdul, dire-diretso. Basket is good. 54th and 3. Ang ating talaan. Sorry, that's number 18. Binigay sa corner. Pass number 18. Back to Ibanez. From elbow 3. Short. Out of bounds. Xavier. Depano. Pass to Abdul. Abdul. Tumira. And there's a foul. First shot para kay Abdul is good. Second shot para kay Abdul. Basket. 56 and 3. Substitution. Bola rito ng St. John the Baptist. Pinasok na rin dito si Hob para sa ating Xavier. Puro guardia pinasok dito ni Coach. Ayun na, number 18, Hob. Ang depensa kay... Uy, that's it. The traveling violation. Good defense para sa Xavier. Wala dito na ating Xavier. Depano. Pass to Tenorio for 3. No good. Oh, sorry, that's si Tang. Ayun na ang St. John. Uy, pass to number 18. Number 18 na atake. Ayun na. Oh, steal by Titus. Titus, dire-diretso. Uy, short. Out of bounds. St. John the Baptist basketball. Number 20 setting on the play. Pass number 18 to Ibanez. Back to number 18. Tumira sa 3. Oh! 3-point. Oh, sorry, that's 2 points. 2 points lang daw po, sabi nating referee. Ayun na, babawi sa 3. Tenorio! Makasagot doon. 2 points lang daw, sabi ng ating referee. Ayun na. Ibanez, may tangan ng bola. Pass number 20. Number 12, binigay sa corner. Fake. Ayun na, sumalaksak. Pass to block by Ong. Ayun na si Ong. Dire-diretso. Ong all the way. Basket is good. By jersey number 10, it's Ong. Number 20, pass to number 18. Reyes. To Ibanez. Ibanez sa atake, kick out. Number 12, steal by Titus. Pass to Depano, pass to Hob. Hob, uy! Nice shot by Hob, Villa. And shout out po. Anak ni Vice Mayor yan. Ay, shoutout po sa pamilya Villa. And number 20 nasa corner. Fake. Pass number 16 nasa corner. Ibanez. Low pick up. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Ong. Ong, nagmamadali. Ayun na, using their height advantage. Dire-diretso. Too strong. Ong. Uy, offensive rebound. Makukuha ni Villa. Steal by Reyes. Pass to Ibanez. Ibanez with the dribble. Low pick up. Tumira. Wala. Rebound again by Ibanez. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Ong. Pass to Depano. Depano nagpamadali. Depano. Sumalaksak using the glass. Basket is good. 64-5. Number 20. Uy, muntik na magawan. Number 10. Ibanez, steal by Hob. Oopsie. Out of bounds. Bola rito ay ng St. John the Baptist. remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Ebañez tumira sa 3. Uy! 3-point by Ebañez. 64-8 ang ating dalaan. Tansipek, stop and pump, short, out of bounds. St. John the Baptist basketball. Number 20. Pass to number 18. Binigay kay number 15. Short. Rebound by Cole. To Villa. Villa. Umatake. Oh! What a move! Tuwan-tuwa ang bench ng Xavier. What a move by Villa. Ayan na. Ebañez, sumalaksak, tumira, in and out, rebound by Tansipek. Tansipek, nagbabadali. Ayan na, dire-diretso all the way. Yes, sir. (68-8) ang ating talaan. Time remaining 1 minute and 18 seconds. Number 18, pass to Ebañez. Susubok sa 3. No good. Rebound by Cole. Ayan na. Jayco naman. Tumira. Basket by Jayco Ying. (70-8) Number 20, pass to Ebañez. Ebañez na bitawan. Out of bounds, in ball. Time remaining 43 seconds. Ebañez, running shot, too strong rebound by Ebañez. Uy, nagagawan, still makukuha ni Jayco. Jayco all the way. Yes, sir. Ay, Jayco Ying. 72-8. Number 20. Pass number 18. Running shot, choosing the glass. Basket yan. Para sa St. John. Yeng with the ball. Yeng top of the key for 3. No good. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 72-10 ang ating talaan. Biggest lead of the game para sa ating Xavier. Alright, tayo na ako na sa ating fourth and a final quarter. Magandang araw po sa inyo lahat ng nanonood at maraming salamat po sa pag-share ng ating live. If I'm not mistaken, this is the Saprissa Basketball League.
Hoy! Ha? Ilang dilatang ko eh. Ilang dilatang ko. Hindi, tapos gumagano ako.
Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng St. John the Baptist. Bondo. Pass to Ebañez. Fourth quarter. Ebañez, pinigay sa corner. Pass to Bondo. Back to Ebañez. Ebañez, kick out. Backward pass na lang yun. Bola rito ng Xavier. Jayco Yeng. Pinagay. Ko. No good. Offensive rebound. Kao, tinutok na lang. Basket yan. By Kao. Ang laki ni Kao. Grabe mga bata ngayon. Ang lalaki. Ang tatagad. Tumira. No good. Rebound by Kao. Ay na, outlet pass, steal by number 27, pass to Ibanez. Ibanez running shot, using Douglas, basket, it's good. Wala dito ay natin Xavier, Jayco Yeng. Yeng, sumalaksak, floater, swak na swak para kay Jayco. 76 and 12 ang ating talaan. Ibanez naman, may tanga ng bola. Ooh. That's it, traveling. Good defense by Jayco. Time remaining 8 minutes and 26 seconds. Bola rito ng ating Xavier. Wang atake, running shot, basket. 78 and 12. In favor pa rin sa ating Xavier. Number 8, dinilas na sa corner. Back to number 8. Number 10. Ibanez running shot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Jayco. Yeng, derecho, no good. Offensive rebound, basket by Ko. 80 and 12. Ibanez. Oh, steal by Jayco Yeng all the way. Yes, sir. What a nice shot by Jayco Yeng. Ayan na ang St. John. Ibanez behind the back. Nasa corner, jump shot, too strong, rebound by Ko. Pass to Wong. Oh, sorry, pass to Ko. Uy, wala. Offensive rebound. Susubo mo na lang. What a nice shot by Wong. Time out. St. John the Baptist. Yan natin ang agad dito ng St. John. The official score is 84-12. Time remaining 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Tayo na naman lilipat sa St. Xavier. Back to the ball game. Titus, ang kanilang main point guard. Para sa oras na ito. Oh! Munti ka na magawa ni Brody. Out of bounds. Last touch. Same. Bola rito ng ating Xavier. Titus, pass to Wong. Jump shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Ko. Kick out to Wong. Wong, running shot. Blocked by Ibanez. Makukuha ni Brody. Nagagawan. Uy, bad pass. Naka-recover. Titus. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Time remaining 6 minutes and left. Ibanez. Pass to Reyes. Number 20, binigay sa corner. Steal by Brody. Ooh, Brody. Ayun na ang double team with a pass to Titus. Titus, derecho. What a nice pass. And what a nice shot by Titus. Bang. And 12. Number 18. Nabitawan to number 16. Pass number 12. Back to number 20. To Ibanez. Ibanez with a strip by Wong. And that's a 24-second shot clock violation. Time remaining almost 5 minutes. 5 minutes sa ating fourth and fourth final quarter. Tenorio coming in and Depano. Jam shot, no good. Rebound by number 18. Number 18. Reyes. Number 20, pass to Ibanez. Ibanez running shot, no good. Steal by Ko. Ko nagmamadali. Ayan na. Nabitawan. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng St. John. Time remaining 4 minutes and 14 seconds. St. John the Baptist basketball. Number 20, pass to Reyes. Reyes gets the shot, no good. Rebound. Jump ball, bola rito ng St. John. Number 12, pass to number 15, running shot, short. Ball game. Depano. Floater, no good. Offensive rebound. Steal. Kick out. You pick. You sumalaksak. You see the glass, no good. Ko with the rebound. Offensive rebound again by Ko. Pass to Depano. To Tenorio. To you pick. You sumalaksak. Oh, in and out. It's a save. Ibanez, outlet pass to number 15. What a bounce. Two minutes and 53 seconds. Bola rito ng Xavier. Depano, foul, oh, and one. Nagpa-flex dito si Ko. Basket count and one by jersey number 13, Kao. Timeout. Xavier School. Time remaining 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Shoutout po sa lahat ng nanonood ng ating live. Shoutout kay JD Balanay, Carlos Sevilla, and Kagawad Rudy Alfonso. Ayan, magandang gabi sa inyo. For 3-point play on the free throw area for the bonus shot, jersey number 13, Ko. No good offensive rebound by you. Kick out. Depano. Stop and bomb. No good. Uy, basket yan. By Depano. Ay na, steal. Depano. Bounce pass. Hob. Too strong. Rebound by Ko. Pass to Depano. Depano, jump shot, back-to-back basket by Depano. (92-12). Ebanez, running shot, basket by Ebanez. Villa, crossover, Villa, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound by number 27. Last 2 minutes. Kanina pa pala, 1 minute and 42. Number 27, pass number 19 to Ibanez. Top of the key for 3, no good. Rebound by Kao. Pass to Villa. Villa all the way, basket. Official timeout tayo. Nag-drums nga dito si Ibanez. Official timeout tayo para sa St. John the Baptist. Alright, wala na si Ibanez ng St. John. Tingnan natin kung makaka-step up o makakababa ng score ang St. John dito. Steal! Ayan na. Depano using the glass. Basket is good. Number 26 to number 5. Still by Tenorio. Outlet pass. Hob all the way. Basket by Hob. Villa. Last 45 seconds remaining. Number 5. Another steal by Depano. Pass to Hob. Hob. Too strong. Tenorio. Using the glass. Wala. Rebound. Hob. Floater. Basket. For 100 points. ng Xavier. Galing yan kay Hob Villa. And this is the game. Ubos na lang ata ng oras. 14 seconds, 11 seconds. Jump shot, too strong. 2 seconds. Ay! Ay! At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. What a nice game from both team. Our final score is 114. Congratulations to our Xavier School for winning this matchup dito sa Espresa. Alright, maraming salamat po sa panonood and shoutout po sa lahat ng parents nang nanonood ng ating live maging dito po sa ating venue. Ayan. Hello po. Congratulations to our Xavier School Basketball for winning the game. Final score 114. Panalo po ang ating home team, ang Xavier School. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.